it's time to upgrade your PlayStation 5. You just run out of space, and every time you want to play a game, well, you know what? The 800 gigabyte internal drive is already full. So we need some space. So the idea is we're going to be installing an SSD into the PlayStation 5. I'm going to show you how to open this guy. We're going to do the installation, and also I'm going to show you and using an external drive. Let's do all those things right now. So this way, it's going to be simple today. So I'm going to show you how to open the PlayStation 5 the right way. We're going to be installing this, and we're going to go into the configuration, and then I'm going to show you using also the external drive for your PlayStation 4 games. And the nice thing with this, after you install this, you're going to be able to play all your games, either from internal, either from this drive. You don't need to move anything. You're going to have plenty space, and execute all the PlayStation 4s out of the external drive if you want to save a little more space. Okay, it's pretty simple. Let's look at the PlayStation logo. Let's run this the other way around. We see the CD side. What we're going to do now, you're going to push up in the corners. Do you see that? I push up, and then you slide from the left to the right. Very important, you need to push up. Do not try to slide this because it will not work. So let's put some force. You see that? I'm going to put some force, and then I'm going to slide this up. Simple. Let's do that now. All right, let's keep going, and we'll be opening in a second. That's it. That's simple. All right, so after we open it, we need to install the memory right here. So with the Phillips screwdriver, you're going to remove the cover. Simple as that. Then we need to remove this screw. So we're going to go from 110 to 80. It has a conversion there, so be careful, do not lose that out. That's the spacer. So we're going to remove this up, and we're going to move. So we're going to take the screw for now. Then make sure we put the spacers right there, because that's the right side. Then we're going to install the SSD. This is a 2 terabyte. You can install 1, or if you want 4. So what we're going to do is pretty simple. So let's put this into the side. And we have the dissipator. So we're going to put one underneath and the other one at the top. We have to remove the little plastic. There's the little plastic there. We need to remove that. Then we're going to put the memory. We're going to close that and install it. All right, so let's do that right now. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go this way. We're going to go right to left. We're going to put it down. And again, what you're going to do, you're going to put your hand here and push. Let's do that now. Soon you turn it on, you can see the has detected drive. You're going to format, takes a few minutes, even to show you the speed of the drive. Now we go into the configuration, and we can see the drive right there, the M2 drive. We can format this point. Now we have about 2 terabytes free. At this point, we can just go and download straight the games to there, execute it from there. You don't need to do nothing special, or you can move some of the games in your original drive, move it right into the internal external drive. Now, if you do have an external drive USB 3, remember those you can still execute all your PlayStation 4, and you don't need to do anything special. If you have any PlayStation 5 and your external drive, you want to move those games now into the brand new M2 drive, and you're going to be able to execute the games from there right? Doing nothing special. Super simple. Thank you once again. I'm Dario.